Welcome to Shimla, the Queen of Hills. Nestled in Himachal Pradesh, Shimla is a blend of colonial charm, scenic mountains, and bustling streets. In this video, we'll explore top attractions, hidden gems, local food, and travel tips to make your Shimla trip unforgettable. Begin at Mall Road, lined with charming shops, cafes, and Himachali snacks. Don't miss Sidhu and Chana Madra. Next, visit the Ridge, Shimla's cultural hub, with Christchurch, panoramic views, and vibrant local markets. Jakku Temple sits atop Shimla's highest hill. Enjoy a short trek, meet the friendly monkeys, and capture breathtaking sunset views. Kufri is perfect for adventure lovers. Ski in winter, trek in summer, or enjoy horse rides through pine forests. Don't forget your camera. Naldera offers serene walks, a historic golf course, and panoramic views, perfect for couples or families seeking peace. Shimla is a foodie's delight. Try street food, explore local markets for souvenirs, and taste fresh apples from nearby orchards. Pack warm clothes in winter, book hotels in advance, hire local transport, and carry cash for small shops. For hassle-free Shimla tours, visit SanjeevaniTravelsShimla.com. Shimla offers memories for a lifetime, from colonial charm to Himalayan adventure. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides.